All right, so let's dive into something pretty mind-blowing: AI agents, specifically Google's Mariner. It's still experimental, but it's making people rethink what AI can do. Imagine an AI that can use the web just like you do, browsing, shopping, filling out forms. That's Mariner. It can even use tools like Google Sheets and interact with online services. Now, you might be thinking, okay, we've got virtual assistants. What's so different about Mariner? Well, it all comes down to how it learns. Mariner is powered by Google's latest AI platform, Gemini 2.0. And this is where things get really interesting. Gemini 2.0 is a neural network, kind of like a digital brain, that learns from massive amounts of data. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just learn from data. It learns from how we interact with digital tools. It observes how we click, scroll, and type, and uses that to figure out how to navigate the web on its own. For example, imagine you're shopping online and you add an item to your cart. Gemini 2.0 observes that action, and it starts to understand that clicking that Add to Cart button leads to a specific outcome. Over time, by watching countless examples, it learns to perform that action itself.
It's pretty cool, right? So instead of being programmed with specific rules, Mariner learns by observing and mimicking human behavior. This makes it incredibly adaptable and capable of handling a wide range of tasks. We're talking about AI that can learn to book a flight schedule, a meeting, or even order groceries, all by watching how you do it. And this is just the beginning. As Mariner continues to learn and evolve, who knows what it will be capable of? It has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with the digital world, making our lives easier and more efficient. But of course, with any new technology, there are also potential downsides. One of the big questions around AI agents is accuracy. Like any AI system, Mariner is still under development, and it's going to make mistakes. It might misread a web page, click the wrong button, or misunderstand your instructions. So while it can handle a lot of tasks, it's not quite ready to take over completely. It's more like a really helpful assistant who needs some supervision. Another challenge is the whole legal and regulatory landscape you've probably heard about. The Justice Department looking into separating Google Chrome from Google. Due to antitrust concerns, well, that could have a big impact on Mariner's development. If Chrome becomes a separate entity, would Mariner still have access to the same resources and data? It's a big unknown. But despite these hurdles, it's clear that AI agents like Mariner have the potential to change our lives in some pretty significant ways. Think about work. Imagine being able to delegate all those tedious, repetitive tasks to your AI agent, things like data entry, scheduling appointments, even responding to emails that would free up so much time for you to focus on more creative, strategic work. Or imagine you're planning a trip. Instead of spending hours searching for flights, hotels, and activities, your AI agent could handle all of that for you. It could learn your preferences, find the best deals, and even create a personalized itinerary based on your interests. Talk about a stress-free vacation. And it goes beyond work and travel. AI agents could revolutionize how we shop online, how we manage our finances, how we learn new things. They could become our personalized digital assistants, helping us navigate the complexities of the digital world. But this level of personalization raises some interesting questions too. Like, how much control are we really willing to give these AI agents over our digital lives? What happens to our privacy when an AI has access to all of our preferences and our online habits? Those are not easy questions. And there aren't any simple answers, I think. The one thing's for sure, AI agents like this Mariner, they represent a big leap forward for AI. They're kind of a window into a future where technology isn't just about tools, but about these intelligent partners.
Yeah.
Partners that help us navigate this crazy, complex digital world. You know what I mean? So whether it's making work simpler, enhancing our free time, or just making our digital lives a bit easier, AI agents have the potential to really reshape our world, in some pretty profound ways. It's a future full of possibilities, but also some challenges for sure. But it's definitely a future that we need to keep exploring. What do you think?